do here, right? Everyone knows what to do, right? Are you sure?
See?
What do we do there? Oh, I'm not hearing that. Come on, guys. Come on. Okay, it's Friday night.
Yeet trying the arrow.
Is he even gonna hit it? I don't think he's gonna hit it. I don't think he's gonna hit it. Oh, what do you think, guys? Yeet? Does that make the list? Is that on the list?
Those girls didn't like
it. They're cheering now. All right, now
Firefly just.
That was so cool.
If that could make the list, it would, but it's unfair if you guys.
Yeah, Firefly.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
Keep your eyes on it. Here we go. I'll help you guys out. In case you don't know what to do. Look at this. Look at this. Wait a second, this looks promising. Yes! Wow. That's how you do it.
Good distance, too.
On the list, guys? Thor? All right. You got it, Brian.
Up there's his head. Whack-a-mole style. One more time, guys. Give it up for Thor. This is the most awkward flip I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's a little awkward. I got to question that. I think he's trying to preserve the vehicle.
Well, there you go.
There you go. Yeah, just a touch. There you go. I think it's absolutely going to start. What do you guys think? Large shit. Nice. Awesome.
All right, Thor's on the list.
Thor's on the list for a full flip.
And one. We have Thor and one roll. One flip.
All right. 03, make it happen. TL.
I mean,
what is this?
come on, there you go.
What do you guys think on that, huh?
Female grass monkey, she did well last week.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Pretty good. What do you guys think on the list for that one? Yeah, they like that, Brian. Throw that on the list since we don't have anybody else on the list except for Thor.
Monkey, that was female grass monkey.
Oh, watch it, watch it.
Animal.
Yeah.
It says whoops under there. He was ready.
He was ready. If you can't read that, the gas tank says whoops, which is pretty cool. All right, another one. That was good.
Mark, does that make the list?
I don't know. I don't decide if that makes the list. Does that make the list? All right.
All right, there he is. Give it up. Oh, the 32. What a showmanship.
He wants that check. I see that. That's good. That's good. Here we go. Dougie's strong. What do you think of that, huh? Here we go, Brian. Pay attention.
Crash test.
I smell a rollover. Crash test. Make it happen. What is this? 007. Nice. That wasn't too bad. What do you guys think? 007 on the list with that luck? Yeah. All right.
On the list.
On the list. Good call. Firefly. Make it happen, Firefly. Firefly's up. Firefly is up, making it happen. Look at him go. Look at him go. Wow. That's pretty awesome. That is really good.
Turn 2 last week. Can we go further?
That's talent right there, folks.
Come on, guys. Make some noise. Firefly. We need turn 3.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Come on. Look at him go. Oh!
That was very cool.
Safe. Yes, he's off. He's fine.
Keep your eyes on the van.
I mean, it was a boo, but like, trying. I'll give it the A for effort. Call it
I
try.
agree with that, Brian. A for effort.
Oh,
Mystery Machine. name there.
Send it.
All right. Send it.
Wow.
Oh! He sent it. That was cool.
Thor's back.
Thor, go Thor. Thor.
Trying to find
He's
that
trying. He was psyched to hit the ramp tonight too. I talked to him earlier, Brian.
Thor's on the list.
Yeah.
Turbo Rides is not. Boo that man. 007.
Go 007. Good speed, good speed. Not the run.
He is on the list. Okay.
No! Wow.
Does that make the list?
You guys want the pink piggy car on the list? Yeet, you missed it. You missed it, Yeet. What are you doing?
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, we got a lot of cars in this list. Alright, we booed you last time, do better.
There it is. Nice.
I don't even know the name of that vehicle.
Yeah, me neither.
That is, let's go.
All right, here we go.
Perfect, fun, back out. Yeah! Get over, get over. Oh, so close.
He was talking to me and I missed it. Oh, come on, Redneck, you can do it. Come on, up. Yo, wow. All right, yeah.
Well, there's your problem right there.
Wow. That's some fire coming out of there. That's fire. That's fire right there.
I'm guessing that it's also a small leak in it.
Yeah, you need a little help there. Redneck fun is redneck done!
Dad jokes. Love it.
Get all those cars, Brian! Get out here! You having fun tonight? Come on! You want me to tell everyone where your house is?
No, thank you.
What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that?
Dude, I'm not talking to Judy. Forget that.
Smart. Okay, 03 on the ramp. There it goes. Oh, 4. On the list, guys. What do you think? 03? Going here. Oh, that was some good distance. You guys want to put BDS on the list? All right, 007. Let's see what you can do, 007. You're up. You're good. You're good. Ah. Here he goes.
Yes!
There it is. Oh, keep going. Oh, just not enough. The mystery McGee. You gotta make it happen.
They did a good attempt last time.
Gotta cut that wheel. Somebody needs to tell him to cut the wheel. Right as he hits the ramp. Oh, we got a pusher here. We've got a pusher here. We've got a pusher. Subaru? What is that? Is that a Subaru, Brian?
That's female grass monkey. To wash away! You are a bus. If you look at the back.
Go, 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 go. Cut that wheel. Go.
That thing is heavy.
I agree. I'll give you that, but we need one more rollover.
I know. Oh, one not gonna do it. Nope. Oh, man's got a chance. This guy gave a good attempt last time.
Yes. Here we go.
Got speed.
Oh, 4 dunks and everywhere. The end there. All right, send it. Come on, send it. Send it.
I mean, that was good.
That was good. Is Send it already on the list, though, isn't he?
Yeah.
All right, we have a lot of work to do, guys, after this. Go Thor. Go Thor. Go Thor. Preserving his car, I guess. 007 having a rough night tonight.
Yeah.
Is 007 on the list, though, wasn't
He's on the list.
he? He should probably come off the list.
Might be coming off the list.
Let them decide that. All right, here we go. 2 more. Hit it. Go, 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 go.
Trying.
The gas after the ramp. And then now we got to reverse, and that's not going to be.
Yeet
Yeet is
last
not
time,
going
so I'm not even really
We still have the rocker derby, Brian.
All right, no, forget that. Let's get to this one.
Yes.
We got a lot to work through. So you guys, again, cheer.
You guys ready?
Like.